What is the probability that 20 tosses of a fair coin will show 12 tails? This is a binomial probability problem. There's only two options, either heads or tails, success or failure. Success is getting a tail, not having success is getting a head. And I'm doing repeated trials of the same experiment. I'm tossing this coin 20 times, and I want a certain number of tails here. So binomial probability, so if I want X successes in N trials, that'll be a combination N choose X. I want X successes in N times I'm doing the experiment. P should be the probability of success raised to the X power. 1 minus P, which is the probability of failure, raised to the N minus X power. Complicated looking formula. It's relatively simple when we apply it. Here we go. So combination, out of those 20 tosses, I want 12 tails. That's the number of different ways I can arrange 12 tails in 20 tosses. So it's like if I just looked at the probability, I got like the first 12. The first 12 were tails, and then the last 8 were heads, right? If I looked at that, that's only one particular arrangement. That's one combination of 12 tails in 20 tosses. But I can have the first toss be a tail, then 8 heads, then the rest of my tails. That's another kind of arrangement. So I need to show all of those different ways when I'm counting and discount those. So that's 20 choose 12, right? The probability of success is getting a tail. The probability of tossing a tail is 1/2. And I want 12 tails. Failure is tossing a head. The probability of tossing a head is also 1/2. And if there's 12 tails, then of course there need to be 8 heads. 20 minus 12 is 8 heads. When I calculate this, that will be my result. So I'll do this in pieces. 20 choose 12. That's 125,970. 1/2. So let's say 2 raised to the 12th power. That's 1 over 4096. And 2 to the 8th power. Right, so I'm just splitting this up. So if I put this over 1, this will be 125,970 divided by you can probably put this all in your calculator in one swoop. So that's 1,048,576. When I divide here, 125,970 divided by 1,048,576.12. That's the probability that 20 tosses of a fair coin will show exactly 12 tails.